What's up, guys? I am really hyped, guys. Today is the 3rd anniversary of Bear Alpha. So happy birthday. I made a cake last night. And I'm actually really hyped, guys. I'm sorry if this is ear rape. You might need, if you're wearing headphones. But this is exciting, guys. If you join Bear Alpha, there's a new update. There's a lot of new stuff. But I'm going to show you real quick. This is going to be really epic because this is, you know, if you don't know, if you saw it, guys, you probably read the title. And I'm going to show it in 3. And wait, hang on. In 3, 2, 1. Let's show it. So, looky here, guys. Cheese Factory is back in Bear Alpha. So, I thought this was a bug. I'm like, oh my gosh, cheese. Why did you add this? You would get more data loss. But I just saw Cheat. He released something that he's not bringing Atrocity back. But, dude, this is so sick. Oh my goodness. Bear Alpha. You have Cheese Factory is back. It's back, guys. It's been like November 11th since Cheese Factory came out. So yeah. Oh my goodness. It used to have a white line on the bottom. That's kind of strange. Okay. 3 years. Whoa, that's so cool. But yeah. Okay, why did I get clicks? Okay, alright, so there's a little portal right here, but I'm going to go in a gameplay with Cheese Factory. This is not fake, guys. This is not fake. Guys, this is not fake. Okay? This is not fake. Guys, join Bear Alpha. This is a limited time. This right here, I think it's limited time, but I hope it's not limited because it's so cool and I really want to keep it. But I guess we're going to vote for the Cheese Factory map before we get started. I hope. Yep, it's not fake, guys. I'm not joking. It's not fake. It's Cheese Factory, guys. Cheese Factory is back, guys. You better go get him, cause you better go get the you better play this map, cause it might probably go away. So yeah, yeah, I'm excited. I hear the music. That is so sick. Oh, I heard a ghost burger. Okay, guys. What? Okay. This is not fake, guys. This is not fake. Oh my gosh. Cheese Factory. Oh my goodness. Sadly, guys, there's something that I really wanted to tell you. That Atrocity is not here, guys. This is only just a map for now. For the reason why Cheese Factory got removed is because of Atrocity being the data loss. What the heck? Okay, I'm just gonna go right here. Look at this, guys. This is so epic and this is so hype and it's legit, guys. And there's the puzzles right there. I think I've seen that before in roleplay. I think I don't know, but why is he chasing it? Oh, I found the color code. Oh no. How? Oh, he's not doing no kill. Okay. Alright, let me get my ghost burger, distract him. So, yeah. Guys, this is a really cool map. Wait, what the heck is these windows out? Why are these out? These are... Wait, I think Chi did something, or Gresso did, I think. I can't... When people told me, like, dude, get Atrocity. And I'm like, what? And I look, and I'm like, I've got to make a video and everything. This is so hype, guys. Why is this window still out? Like, why? Okay, this is so hype, guys. I don't know why this is like, why is Cheese Factory here? Let's just go. Let's just go. This map is like huge, guys. This is like a huge map, like in Happy Terror. But also, even though there is like a lot of stuff, and you can see, you cannot get Atrocity, guys. You cannot get Atrocity. And yeah, you can't get Atrocity, guys. I will show you guys. Well, no. You're being a bad naughty. Wait, you want the ghost burger? Here you go. Get the burger. Get the burger, guys. No! But yeah, guys, this is really hype, guys. This is a very cool map, guys. Cheese Factory is back, guys. If you did not know, guys, Cheese Factory is back, guys. And look at the size of that factory. That guy was not going after me. He was not going after me. What the heck? Let's see if we can go. Oh, let's go see the secret room. We'll go in the secret room and see if we can actually glitch the badge. I don't know you can, but I don't know. But he thinks there's something right there. Wait, why does he have like the almond malt walk right there? I don't know what. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna be like doing this. But this is really cool, guys. You guys, go play this map right now. Yes, go get this map. Like, go play this map right now. I'm gonna be actually doing pretty happy. I'm pretty happy that Cheese Factory returned. But I thought it was data loss. Data loss happened like 2 years ago. 2 years old. Like, this map is like 2 years old, guys. This is like 2 years old. This is like a 2-year-old map right here. But basically, here is a little portal, guys, and we're gonna be doing that into our next video. We are going to be doing that because I think there's going to be something really cool, guys. I think there's going to be something really cool. And also, upcoming, we are going to be doing a 1v1 competition for tomorrow, guys. With me, yes, me. I'm doing with GD Gamer Boy. I will put those channels in the link of the description down below. And also, yes, guys, I'm going to put these in the link of the description down below. So, guys, it might take me a while to do this map, but this map, I'm not lying, guys. This is real, guys. People always, like, tell me, like, if Cheese Factory's back. And, look, I think this is the last guy. Ooh, the heck. Warrior fan. Okay, so, yeah, guys, we are going to be doing this because this is probably one of the best updates. Cheese Factory is back, so yeah. I hope you guys liked the video. So you guys please subscribe. We are almost to 20 subs, and I'm gonna doing a plush review for my 20 sub special. So guys, please subscribe. It really helps me out, guys. Might get some more quality, like high quality, like videos, just like TMG. And also, peace out, guys. I will see you on the next video, and I'm going to be making an update video and a lot of new stuff. So, before we do that, I think we're just going to do that. We're just going to do one quick thing. But yeah, this is a good map, guys. Yeah, guys. And I hope you guys liked the video. So, please, subscribe, guys. It really helps me out. So, peace out, guys.